Hi, welcome to everybody. Um, Now we will solve some problem based on inverse trigonometric functions properties. First question, show that sine inverse 2x into root of 1 minus x squared is equal to 2 sine inverse x. How to do? So take left hand side. What is left hand side? Sine inverse 2x into root of 1 minus x squared. So that we can write it as sine inverse. Here you substitute x is equal to sine theta. X is equal to sine theta means what is theta? Theta is sine inverse x. So sine inverse 2 sine theta into root of 1 minus sine square theta is what? Cos theta is equal to sine inverse 2 sine theta cos theta is what? Sine 2 theta. What is sine inverse sine 2 theta? 2 theta. What is our theta? Theta is sine inverse x. So what is it? 2 sine inverse x is equal to right hand side. This is the answer. So we are applying trigonometric formula here. Then only we will get it. Next question. Show that 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. So take right hand side. Right hand side is what? Cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. So that we can write it as, what substitution we have to give here? X is equal to cos theta. Theta is equal to what? Cos inverse x. So 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So what is it? Cos inverse. That is what? Cos 3 theta. What is cos inverse cos 3 theta? 3 theta. What is theta? Cos inverse x is equal to what? Left hand side. This is the answer. Now, another question. Simplify or simplify tan inverse root of 1 plus x squared minus 1 by x. So what you have to do here? Here you have to substitute the x is equal to tan theta. X tan theta means theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x. So this becomes tan inverse root of 1 plus tan squared theta minus 1 by tan theta. So tan inverse 1 plus tan squared theta is what? C squared theta. Its root is sec theta. Sec theta minus 1 by tan theta is equal to tan inverse sec theta is what? 1 by cos theta minus 1 tan theta. How to write? Sin theta by cos theta. So that we can write it as tan inverse 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Okay, after taking LCM. So this become tan inverse 1 minus cos theta is what actually? 2 sin squared theta by 2. Sin theta is what? 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So answer is tan inverse tan theta by 2. What is tan inverse tan theta by 2? Theta by 2. Theta is what? Tan inverse x. So tan inverse x by 2. Next question. Simplify tan inverse root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x by root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x. So what you have to do here? Here you substitute x is equal to cos 2 theta. So what is 2 theta? Cos inverse x. Theta is what? 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So this becomes tan inverse root of 1 plus cos 2 theta plus 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by root of 1 plus cos 2 theta minus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. So this becomes tan inverse 1 plus cos 2 theta is what? Root of 2 cos squared theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is what? 2 sin squared theta by root of 2 cos squared theta minus root of 2 sin squared theta. So tan inverse root 2 you can take it outside, then cancel, then what you are getting? Cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. We will get like this. So this we can divide by cos theta. So what is it? 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. What is 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta? If you are dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. So what is it? This is tan pi by 4 plus theta. What is tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus theta? Pi by 4 plus theta. What is our theta? Theta is half cos inverse x. Half cos inverse x. So this is a simplified form of tan inverse root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x by root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x. I think it is clear for you. Next, simplify tan inverse root of 1 plus x squared minus root of 1 minus x squared by root of 1 plus x squared plus root of 1 minus x squared. So what you have to do? Put x squared is equal to cos 2 theta. X squared is equal to cos 2 theta means 2 theta is what? Cos inverse x squared. Theta is equal to what? Half into cos inverse x squared. Now this become tan inverse root of 1 plus cos 2 theta. Here we are substituting x squared is equal to cos 2 theta minus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by root of 1 plus cos 2 theta plus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. So this becomes tan inverse root of 2 cos squared theta minus root of 2 sin squared theta by root of 2 cos squared theta plus root of 2 sin squared theta. After simplification you are getting it is cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. So if you are dividing by cos theta, then it is tan inverse 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. What is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta? Tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus theta. What is tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus theta? Pi by 4 minus theta. What is theta? Pi by 4 minus half cos inverse x squared. This is the answer. Now, next question. Simplify cot inverse root of 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x by root of 1 plus sin x minus root of 1 minus sin x. Now, this we can write it as cot inverse 1 plus sin x. How to write 1 plus sin x? Root of cos squared x by 2 plus sine squared x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 plus root of 1 minus sinus, how to write? Cos squared x by 2 plus sine squared x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by denominator also same way, root of cos squared x by 2 plus sine squared x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 minus 1 minus sin x is what? Cos squared x by 2 plus sine squared x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Actually, this is what? Cot inverse cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 the whole square. And square എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ the square root എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. അടുത്തതോ cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by താഴെയോ cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So what is answer? Cot inverse cos x cot x by 2. That is cot inverse cot x by 2. Cot inverse cot x by 2 is x by 2. This is the way we are doing that problem. Now, another question. Simplify tan inverse x by root of a squared minus x squared. Here what you have to do? X is equal to a sin theta. X is equal to a sin theta. So x by a is equal to what? Sin theta. Theta is equal to what? Sin inverse x by a. So this becomes tan inverse a sin theta by root of a squared minus a squared sin squared theta. So that is tan inverse a sin theta by a cos theta. So tan inverse a sin theta by cos theta is what? Tan theta. Tan inverse tan theta is theta. Theta is what? Sin inverse x by a. This is the answer. Now another question. Simplify tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. So what you have to do? You know sin inverse 1 by 2 is what? Sin inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6. So tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3. So tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3 we can write it as tan inverse 2 into cos pi by 3 is cos 60. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. So tan inverse 1. What is tan inverse 1? Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. This answer is pi by 4. And next, if sine of sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1, find x. Find x. So what you have to do? You know, this sign will go to that side. So sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to what? sine inverse 1. So what is sine inverse 1? Pi by 2. But you know that sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is what? Pi by 2. Therefore, what is x? X is equal to 1 by 5. X is equal to 1 by 5. Now next question. Tan 1 by 2 into sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x squared plus cos inverse 1 minus y squared by 1 plus y squared. This question. So you know, previously we proved sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x squared is equal to cos inverse 1 minus y squared by 1 plus y squared. Sorry, cos inverse 1 minus x squared by 1 plus x squared is equal to what? 2 tan inverse x. Yesterday we have done. So in the same way, here also we can write it as what? Tan 1 by 2 into, this is what? 2 tan inverse x. This is what? 2 tan inverse y. So 2 will cancel. So tan of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. What is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. So tan inverse is what? X plus y by 1 minus xy. This is the answer. Next question. Simplify tan inverse cos x by 1 minus sin x. So you know sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So this we can write it as tan inverse sin pi by 2 minus x divided by 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus x. So that we can write it as tan inverse sin pi by 2 minus x is what? 2 sin pi by 2 minus x by 2 cos pi by 2 minus x by 2 by 2 sin squared pi by 2 minus x by 2. So that is what tan inverse 2 will cancel. So the is cos pi by 4 minus x by 2 by sin pi by 4 minus x by 2. So what is it? Tan inverse cot pi by 4 minus x by 2. So you can write tan inverse cot, you can write it as what? Tan pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus x by 2. So what is it? Pi by 2 minus pi by 4 plus x by 2. So what is answer? Pi by 4 plus x by 2. Next question. Show that 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse 1 by 3 is equal to 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3. You know sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is what? 1 by 2. So sin inverse 1 by 3 plus cos inverse 1 by 3 is equal to what? Pi by 2. Therefore sin inverse 1 by 3 is equal to what? Pi by 2 minus cos inverse 1 by 3. So it is 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 into pi by 2 minus cos inverse 1 by 3. So 9 pi by 8 minus 9 pi by 8 plus 9 by 4 cos inverse 1 by 3. So answer is 9 by 4 cos inverse 1 by 3. But we want the answer in terms of sine. So what you have to do? Take a right triangle, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is this? This is root 8. So this is what a 9 by 4 sine inverse root 8. Root 8 എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ 2 root 2. 2 root 2 by 3. This is the answer. Next, evaluate sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. So actually principal value branch of sine inverse is what? Pi minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So you can write it as sine, this we can pi minus pi by 3. Okay, because second quadrant sine is positive. So sine inverse sine pi minus pi by 3 is what? Sine pi by 3. What is sine inverse sine pi by 3? Pi by 3 is pi by 3. Okay. Now, what about cos inverse cos 2 pi by 3? Since principal value branch of cos inverse is what? 0 to pi. What you can write? Cos inverse cos 2 pi by 3 is what? 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. Now another. Simplify cos inverse cos 2 pi by 3 plus sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. So cos inverse cos 2 pi by 3 we know 2 pi by 3. Sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3 is what? We already proved pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 3. That is 3 pi by 3. 3 pi by 3 is what? Pi. Next, evaluate sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. So you know sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Previously we solved. What is sine inverse minus 1 by 2? Minus pi by 6. Alle? First problem we solved. So we can write it as sine pi by 3 plus pi by 6. So sine pi by 3 plus pi by 6 is pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is what? 1. Another question. Cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 means 210. So we have to convert. Cos 7 pi by 6 is, you can write it as 2 pi minus, cos is positive in fourth quadrant. So 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6. So cos inverse 2 pi minus pi, cos inverse cos 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6. So what is it? That is cos 5 pi by 6. What is cos 5 pi by 6? It is because it is 150. So what is answer? 5 pi by 6. This is a, so okay, by this all this problem you have to solve and write in your notebook. Previously if you are written also, this is like a revision only. Okay.